Hi everyone, Darko here. It's a snowing day here in Sweden. It's a bit chilly. I had a private coaching session with one of my very loyal clients for some hour ago, and there are a handful of people that has been with me basically every day for the past 3 years. And I just told him, anytime you need a help, just let me know. I will be more than happy to hook up on Skype with you with any trading related issue that you might have. And this member had a trading issue that was taking profit too early, and I gave him a very objective, specific way of doing things. And I told him that it all comes down to emotions, right? We are totally attached, emotionally attached to our trades. And in this case, I told him to have, let's just say, for example, that you are trading two mini lots, okay? You have the same entry and the same stop loss for both of them. The only difference is the targets. On the first lot, you have, the first target that you have been analyzing your charts and see that this is a great level to take profit. And then obviously the next lot is the second target. And I told him that you need to trade manage those, maybe manually, but the targets, you don't touch those, because that's where the emotions comes in. Because how many times have you taken trades and you are like up 50, 60, 70 pips, and then now, you don't do something, and all of a sudden the trade stops you out for break even, and that's so annoying. And then the next time you take 30, 40 pips off, the trade goes up for 300 pips, and you're just like, oh, why did I do that? Well, you need to have a solid game plan. That means like if you are going with the trend, that's where you can make 3 to 1, 4 to 1, 5 to 1, maybe even 10 to 1. When you are going against the trend, now it's time for you to be very active, hands-on when it comes to trade management, and I have specific rules for both of those. So by having two separate orders with the same entry and the same stop loss but different targets, and you trade manage those manually, but then let the profit target be alone and just let the computer do the trading for you. And then you either take a reduced loss or a reduced win, or you hit your targets, and that's where you can actually get those big winners. Okay, so that was the advice that I just gave him, and hopefully that will be also helpful to you if you have the same issues. Thank you so much for listening, and have a great day. Cheers.